In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, tap on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that, using Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. Hit Next or tap on this X in the pop-up. And then tap on this tiny window at the top right corner. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold those 3 dots at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, pick the perfect size and let go when you're ready. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click on this icon at the top left corner. To close it completely though, tap on this X at the top right one. If you wish to manage even more options, tap on those 3 dots and mute your app or turn it into a tiny window by clicking on those 2 arrows. To access it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!